we're going to cut our hair at home because I wasn't able to find the Korean salon na dati kong pinapagupitan sa Baguio. I didn't know. Nag-relocate lang pala sila sa same building. Pero tamad na ako. Bumalik ulit. Let's just DIY here sa bahay. Mag-do it yourself tayo. Do it myself. Let's do what we are supposed to do. So, ito. Actually, this is my old bangs. Pero okay na rin siya kasi para siyang window. Window? Ano tawag dun? Window curtain. What was that? Curtain bangs! Curtain bangs po. Okay, let's start. The things that I have here with me is hair brush and hair... Basta, yan. Hair comb and hair brush. These are hair ties. I have here different scissors. For fabrics, I don't even have a proper tool for this. Ang gusto kong gawin sa aking buhok is actually yung layered. Kasi yung buhok ko, ano to, makapal. So, I think bagay talaga sa akin yung layered. Because I want to keep the length of my hair. Kasi I'm actually planning na gusto kong short hair na lang. Kaso, gusto ko rin i-keep yung length niya kasi ngayon lang na naman ako nagka-medium length hair. So, gagawin ko na lang is yung layered para mipis siya. Kasi hindi ko na kaya kapag masyadong mainit na din. Damang-dama ko na yung init ng panahon. But still, gusto ko pa rin yung long hair. So, ila-layered na lang natin siya. Yun na lang yung parang solution. So, magta-try tayo ngayon yung butterfly cut. Butterfly hairstyle. Kineme. May napanood ako sa YouTube. Kung paano yung gawin. Hanapin ko lang siya. Mondo. Actually, nung nagpa-shorter ako nung last, ako din yung gumipit ng buhok ko. Kaso ito, mas mahirap kasi ito eh. Kaya ako hinanap yung Korean salon na yun. Kasi ayoko na ako yung gumupit. Kasi baka kapag pangit dahil. Ang gaganda nang nakikita kong result. Okay, let's do this, I guess.
You also need to wet your hair. You wanna see how to do the haircut now?
Okay, so I have to find out my apex, the highest point of my head. Then from there, I'm going to part my hair from the apex to the back of my ears. So from the highest point of my head, where is that? Like here. And I'll be like combing it. That's still not the back of my ear. Oh yes! Got it. So this is what it looks like. Okay. So after that, I'm just gonna comb this. I'm going to tie it like parang yung unicorn daw. Just in the middle of my eyebrows. Okay, so we already made our first section. Okay, so next, our second section, and it's going to be the last one. Just have to pull everything upwards though. Like a really high pony. So make sure that the second section is actually on the highest part of your head. Ganyan siya. I feel like hindi siya masyadong mataas yung ito. This is so funny. Okay, let's...
I need you to do a little meditation for me before you do this.
Okay, it's already known. It's time to reveal the final result. Shock art. See?